Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. This is my friend Jairus. This is his R34 Skyline Sedan with a naturally aspirated RB20 Neo. It is an automatic and we're going to be converting it to a manual. And by we, I mean he's going to be doing all the work and I'll be filming it. So let's get right into it. We're going to begin by working in the footwell area. You can see these dimples in the firewall. This is where a clutch pedal would be if this were a factory manual car. We're going to be drilling this out so we can install our own clutch pedal assembly. Here you can see him using a center punch to mark the spots, and here he is using a pneumatic drill and just sending it, so there is no turning back now. You need to drill out 3 holes, 2 small ones for the studs to go through and then 1 bigger one for the master cylinder to fit through the firewall. We started off with a small drill bit and drilled some pilot holes, then worked our way up with a step bit for the center hole until it was big enough to fit the master cylinder through. This is the clutch pedal and master cylinder assembly. Here you can see him separating the two so they can go in the car. They both bolt onto each other with the firewall in between. Alright, so now it's time to install the clutch pedal into the car. This is pretty straightforward. There are a couple of studs on the back of the pedal. They just go into the 2 outer holes that we just drilled. There's also a pre-drilled and threaded hole on the car which aligns with the bracket on the top of the pedal. You're going to want to bolt that down as well. This is the master cylinder. He's installing one end of the clutch line into it and getting it ready to go on the firewall.
We'll sit like that, go under the vehicle. This one will go to the slave.
Okay.
Which is this guy here. Which will push the fork in the transmission.
Installing the master cylinder is pretty straightforward as well. You just want to slide it in through the middle hole that we drilled and tighten it down to the studs from the pedal assembly. This is the pin that connects the clutch pedal to the master cylinder. This ensures your pedal and master cylinder work together in a singular motion. With the clutch pedal now installed, at this point we decided to cut the brake pedal so it can go from this wide automatic style one to a narrow manual style one. We began by taking off both the pedal covers and measured where we wanted to cut.
Now where do we want it? We want it right here? Right here looks good or what? Right here, eh?
Yeah, it should be good. You think that'll be good for heel toe?
I don't know. Probably.
Try it.
I think so.
Yeah. Cut like, are you cutting on the outer edges or the inside edges?
I'm gonna cut the out and then grind it in later.
Okay.
Or should I go in more? But I don't want to go out because there's a bracket that holds this.
Yeah. Oh, you kind of want that evenly
right, yeah.
in the middle.
So right here should be okay.
Should be good, yeah. Now that we had it measured and marked where we wanted to cut, Jairus just grabbed a cutting disc and went to town on the pedal.
Soon.
Who's rubbing?
Yeah. Huh? Very good. No, I've been doing it. Let's go for a spin. Oh, I love that.
Thanks for watching, guys. That's it for this video. Stay tuned for part 2. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.